Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Answer: Babur. What is the name of Babur's autobiography? Answer: Tajak Babri. In which year the second battle of Panipat took place? Answer: 1556. What is the name of the autobiography of Jahangir? Answer: Tajak Jahangiri. In which year Aurangzeb died? Answer: in 1707. Who is the writer of Akbarnama? Answer: Abul Fazl. Who was the author of Humayun-Nama? Answer: Gulbadan Begum. Who was the last Mughal emperor in India? Answer: Bahadur Shah Zafar. Who was known as Engineer King? Answer: Shah Jahan. Write the name of two important cities which Babur captured during First Battle of Panipat. Answer: Delhi and Agra. Who built up Buland Darwaja? Answer: Akbar. In which year the Battle of Belgram took place? Answer: in 1540. Who built the Grand Trunk Road? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. Where is located the tomb of Sher Shah Suri? Answer: Sasaram. What was the full name of Babur? Answer: Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Who is the author of Kitabul Hind? Answer: Al-Biruni. In which style the Mughal architecture is belong? Answer: Persian and Indian style. Who started first time silver coin in India? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. By whom Babur was invited to attack in India? Answer: Daulat Khan Lodi. What is the real name of Sher Shah Suri? Answer: Farid Khan. Who constructed Buland Darwaja and where? Buland Darwaja was constructed by Akbar at Fatehpur Sikri. Who was the first Englishman to visit Akbar's court? Answer: Ralph Fitch. Which reign is known as the Golden Age at the time of Mughal Empire? Answer: Reign of Shah Jahan. Who crowned himself with the title of Alamgir? Answer: Aurangzeb. What is the meaning of Alamgir? Answer: Conqueror of the world. Who built Moti Masjid in Delhi? Answer: Aurangzeb. In which language did Babur write his autobiography? Answer: Turkish. Who built the Peace Mosque in the Agra fort? Answer: Shah Jahan. Who appointed Murshid Quli Khan as the Diwan of Bengal? Answer: Aurangzeb. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.